G'day kids, welcome to another physical activity video. My name's Adam. I'm so glad you've decided to get active today. We're at lovely Fulham North Primary School here down at Henley Beach. We've got heaps to do. We're going to start off, get you warmed up with a health hustle. So on your feet, find some space, let's get into it. All right kids, let's get moving. Start jogging, knees up. Let's flick them up at the back as well. Right, we're going to some star jumps. That's right. All right, now some T swings. Just loosen up your back. Terrific. All right, we're going to do some step jumps. Have a look at my feet here. Now we're going to speed that up. So we take that little bounce out. Use your arms. Great work. All right, we'll do a cross step now. So it's going to go like this. Great effort. Okay, we're going to some jogging again. Hang in there. Nearly time for today's main activity. Choose your own adventure. And we'll just walk that off. Terrific start, kids. Get ready to roll. I hope you got lots of energy. Let's go to super circuit number 1. Okay kids, here we go with the first circuit. There's going to be 4 sports and we're going to do each sport for 30 seconds with a 5-second changeover or transition, which means you're going to move from one sport, get ready as quick as you can to do the next. Okay, so we're going to have a surf ski like this down on my mat here, go straight into a swim after that, up for a cross-country run, and then I'm going to do a BMX race. So what you'll need at home is a towel or some space on the floor to do it, and just a chair. That's going to be our BMX bike. Okay, I'll give you a chance to get that organised and then we're ready to race. Let's go. All right kids, down in your surf ski, grab your paddle, let's get ready to go. 30 seconds and go. Work hard, we've got to get through these big waves to start with. Out around the buoy and then back into the sand. Really work the arms. Right, we're going to turn right here around the buoy and then back in. This is the fun bit. Let's just turn around, look for a wave. Here comes a wave. We're going to get that and just lean back on that. Catch that in. Oh, you ripper. All right, transition into the swim. Up you go for the swim. Remember, 5 seconds. Straight back out in the surf. Here we go. Oh, these waves are big today. Straight around the same buoy. Wonder if we can catch a wave going back in again. Bit of body surfing. Oh. That's it, let's turn around the buoy. And back in, here we go. Here comes the waves, and into the beach. Terrific, there's our swim leg into cross country. Here we go, knees up. Right, there's a marker up here. We've got to turn right, round you go. Back to your left. Got a couple of logs to jump over, here we go. First one, and the third. Some crunchy gravel now. Work through this, up the hill. That's it, and let's sprint to the finish line. Okay, there's the finish line. Cross country's over. Onto the BMX, quick transition, 5 seconds. Grab your BMX, back of your chairs, your handlebars, and away you go. Fast legs down the hill. First jump, pedal, pedal, jump, turn right, pedal, 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 little jumps. Pedal, 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 that's it. Keep working, keep working. left turn, right turn, pedal home, little jump, and to the finish line. Fantastic. Super Circuit 1, that's done and dusted. Let's have a little drink and we'll go off to Super Circuit number 2. So Super Circuit number 2, we're going to have a go at surfboard and then kayaking. It's a little bit like surf ski. Up into a mountain bike race, and then we'll finish off with a speed skating event, which is a bit like you saw probably at the Winter Olympics. All right, I'll give you a chance to get ready. I've got the same equipment, a towel, a chair, and I'm ready to roll. So get that organised and we'll start off Super Circuit number 2. Okay kids, down on your bellies. Remember we've got to do a surfboard paddle out in the ocean first, so let's get ready to roll. On your belly, use your legs, use your arms, and away we go, 30 seconds. You can see I'm kicking my legs just to keep my balance. Go out, round that buoy, turn around, and then catch the wave in. Keep working. Rightio, paddle with your right, let's get around the buoy. That's it. And hopefully there's a wave behind me. Let's have a look. Yep, here it comes, paddle fast, and we got it. Get up on your knees, that's it, and ride that in. Ride that into the beach. Fantastic, fantastic. All right, transition into the next one, into the kayak. Here we go. Use your arms. This is just a straight, hard race. Work really hard. It's like down on West Lakes, isn't it? Hang in there. All right, now mountain bikes next. Get ready for the transition. Let's go. Mountain biking. Big hill here to start with. We've got to get to the top of it. Oh, it's hard to get up there. Little turn. Okay, a bit faster. And down we go. Little jump. Left-hander, left turn. And again. Little jump. Ooh, really slow here, technical. Little right, little left. Pedal away. Okay, hang in there, we're nearly there. Little right-hander. I can see a big jump. Here it comes, here it comes. Whoa! Keep going. And to the finish line. Great effort. Transition into the speed skating. And here we go. It looks a little bit like this. Step. Use your arms. Nice and smooth on the ice. Stay nice and low. You can see I've got the knees bent a little bit. Just like the Winter Olympics. And we're nearly there, And well done, fantastic. All right, kids. Super Circuit number 2, done and dusted. Grab yourself a drink and then you get to choose your own circuit. Okay kids, it's time for you to choose your own adventure. So we did 8 different sports. I want you to have organised 4 that you like the most and get ready to go through Super Circuit number 3 with your favourites. I'm going to go with a swim, BMX, maybe a kayak, and then I'll finish off with a speed skate. But you do what you like to do at home. I'll just tell you when it's time to change over. So get yourself organised. Maybe you want to write them down so you know what order to do it in. Let's get ready to roll. Okay, Super Circuit number 3. I'm starting with the swim. Wonder what you're doing at home. Get set and go. So I'll just call out the times, help you out. Work hard. Oh, that's about halfway. 5 seconds. And transition, I'm going into BMX. Wonder what you're doing. Helmet on for safety, and here I go. Jump. Ten more seconds. Okay, that's time. All right, kids, well done. Transition now. I'm going to do a surf ski. Not sure what you're doing at home, but work really hard. Here we go. Ten seconds in. Really good workout on the arms, isn't it? 20 seconds in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now the last one, I'm going to do a speed skate. Here we go. Nice and smooth. Keep working there at home. This is the last leg. Halfway. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ripper. All right. How did you go with your own adventure there at home? That was terrific fun. If you'd like to see some more of that, we've done earlier videos and focused on each sport specifically. So if you're into BMX, there's a BMX video. Check it out. Hang around, kids, because we've got a challenge of the day for you. Have a drink. See you then. Okay, kids, I'm going to leave you with a bit of a workout, a bit of an aerobic challenge here. It's called a shuttle run. You'll need 4 socks, or you could use cups or empty drink bottles or whatever. If you can do it down the passageway or out the backyard, that'd be great. I've had to squish mine up so they all squeeze into the camera, but you can stretch them out and make it even harder as well. So experiment with the length of your track. I'm going to start with a run. I'm going to show you some different movements you can do, then I'm going to leave it to you to go and set up and get on with. So start at the back. I'm going to start with just running, so up to the first one and back, second one and back, then all the way to number 3. So 4 socks. Once you've done that a few times, experiment with stretching the track out a little bit, make it a bit harder. You can try skipping. So skipping to the first one, jog back. Skipping to the next one, jog back. Okay, you could do a side step, you could do a hop, it's up to you. So I want you to go out the back and work really hard, set it up for yourself, maybe challenge someone in the house, enjoy the challenge. Well done for being physically active today. I'll see you next time.